Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can select the string connection. String connection you get directly into the roof view. Here are the strings separated by different colors. String 1 in gray and string 2 in green. You can align the strings vertical or horizontal. Vertical would be the best option in this case. If you want to change the modules, you can double-click on one module and double-click on the other module. When you click on the cable mode, you can show how the modules are connected. If you want to change the string connection, you can select the cables and delete them. Then you start with a double click on one module and click in every other module you want to connect together. The string ends automatically with the last module. That you can see on the short yellow line. You can add the missing cables automatically by the button in the top menu.